muy verga y no hace el lane split. ¡Ay, ay, ay, ay! Fíjate, pendejo. ¡Qué idiota! Estúpido, viene. So we have Hijaz on the Hayabusa 1300. We have the mother on the Suzuki. Sorry, we have mother on the Kawasaki 300. And we have mother on the Spin Triple.
That's why whenever I see a junction, I never go for it. I always go a bit slow.
I tell people all the time not to do that, and that's why. I don't know if I'm going to show it or not, but that's a learning lesson. I believe that was completely my fault.
So we continued down on 46 and Tom found a little back road, and if you watch the vehicle that was behind me, we're slowing down, signals are on, he's coming up on me pretty quick, but the guy behind him didn't even see anyone slowing down, so he ended up having to swerve off into the shoulder. And here's a clip of it being a little closer, just so you can see. So again, he got a huge truck with a double axle trailer, so he's obviously hauling some heavy weight, and he probably wasn't even paying attention and realized he was catching up on that white van, who did kind of stop quickly and just had no avoidance but to slam the brakes and get off into the shoulder. Luckily there wasn't a collision.
What the fuck?
So as far as alternative fuel vehicles go, I kind of lean towards hydrogen powered vehicles. I don't know why those aren't more, they're not being tested more. How do you safely store and transport that hydrogen? But I don't, maybe it is. I don't think hydrogen is any more unstable or volatile than gasoline. Gasoline is extremely stable though. Hydrogen might be. But gasoline is extremely stable. That motherfucker came across the center line at me. What the fuck does he think he was gonna do? Kill me? You fucking think he was gonna kill me? Hit me head on and fucking kill me? Just to get back at me because of my fucking bright lights? See, my friends, that is fucked up. That is fucked up.